Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over your directions for your To Kill a Mockingbird research slides assignment. This assignment is going to be a slides assignment along with a video recording. It's worth 20 points. So you will choose a topic from the listed options and create a detailed, informative slide presentation. Students will research, answer suggested questions, and provide background understanding related to the topic to share with the class through small group discussion and a digital recording. For your slides portion of this assignment, your slide should contain a title slide stating the central research topic and the researcher's name, which would be your name. Be visually appealing, using a font scheme and color palette that is easy to read and does not strain the eyes. Contains supporting images that represent the content while being aware of the reading audience. Images should represent the researched reality and gravity of the topic, but should not be used for initial shock value. So when putting in images, please be aware of what you are picking. Please do not pick things that are more gruesome just for the sake of it being more gruesome. Make sure that is appropriate for our audience. Be well spaced as to not overwhelm the reader due to information being packed onto a single slide. Your slide should be well marked so that it is easy to navigate the slides and know what information is being presented on each slide. Your slide should contain in-text citations to mark information gathered from research sources. You should also have a slide that is your citation slide that has the full-length citations for the project. You need to answer all questions as listed for the topic below and include further supporting information to best represent the topic for the project audience. So there will be 14 different topic options for you to choose from. There will be 2 available slots for each of the topics. After you have completed your slides, you are going to record a video presentation. Your video needs to have a title that should be the topic and then an underscore and then your first and last name. So for example, if I was doing Okies Migration as my topic, it would be Okies Migration _ Sam Brenner, since that is my name. Have a professional tone when recording. So it is important that when you are recording that you are following these standards in order to have a appropriate recording. So you need to state your name and your topic at the beginning of your recording. You should not be laughing throughout your recording. It is okay to be smiling and to enjoy presenting, but please do not constantly laugh or try and make it uncomfortable for the listener. Be prepared to present by practicing your recording. Use an engaged and polite manner when recording. Pick a quiet place to record your presentation. Check that your slides will work properly prior to recording. Check slides for any errors prior to recording. So these are just some guidelines when recording to prepare you for actually doing the physical recording. I recommend that you use the Schoology recorder to record your voice presenting your slides and then have your slides as the screen. Post a shareable Google link to both the video and the slides in the discussion. These are just all the different topics that will be available along with their questions. So you can pause the video to look at them. However, there will be a digital copy available on Schoology along with the rubric that I'm about to show you. So as far as the rubric, this is my area to write in up here at the top that's blank, so that's why it says notes as far as the total and then each of the sections. But if we look at the sections, we can see grammar and citations is worth 3 points and then is broken down as those expectations are not met. But in order to get the full 3 points, students should use proper grammar throughout their project and have gone back to check for any mistakes in punctuation and spelling, wording, or sentence structure. Students also make sure to use in-text citations and have a full citation and final citation slide. Research evidence is worth 5 points. Students use evidence from their research text to support their finding about the topic in relation to the novel. Students make direct references through quotes, paraphrasing, and summarizing the text. So that's 5 points, and then it's broken down as points are reduced. It's also 5 points for literary analysis. Students use knowledge gained through the research and discussion to analyze the deeper narrative meaning within the story. So by the story, I mean To Kill a Mockingbird. We then have content and directions. So this is a 7-point category. Students are able to follow all directions as explained in the project layout above, and if the student should have questions, they are self-motivated and contact the teacher. Alrighty. And that is the breakdown of this 20-point project through the rubric. Once again, all of these materials that you see here in the video will be available on the Schoology page, so that way you can open and view and print any of these for yourself. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or to send me an email. I'd be happy to help you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!